What's good? It's Mick coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about different ways you can detox your body. So stay tuned. So I'm back. So, like I said, we're going to talk about detoxing your body. So one way you can detox your body is basically restricting your diet. What I mean by restricting your diet is like eliminating junk food from your diet, like cutting out foods that are like high in sugar, salt, fat, which are basically snack foods like cookies, chips, candies, processed meats. You might want to do this slowly to wean yourself off if you're trying to completely cut out all of that. Me personally, I'm not going to completely cut out those junk foods. I mean, I have my days to where I want to have a little snack to treat myself. So it's totally up to you. Don't be fooled by a lot of different stuff out there that says like fat free or reduced fat or sugar free. Usually they use those words and add other unhealthy additives to them. So if you're really serious about trying to eliminate different junk, do your research on whatever foods you buy. And that's pretty much it as far as restricting your diet. So this next one is pretty important, is basically drink plenty of water. Swap sodas and sugary like juices for water instead. Water is going to flush out the toxins out of your body via your kidney, your bladder. It's also going to regulate your body temperature. It's going to hydrate your skin. It's essential for most bodily processes. And water is basically very essential for any detox. When you're hungry, you could try drinking water, like a glass of water. It can help suppress hunger. A lot of times you think your body's saying I'm hungry, but your body just might be thirsty. So, you could drink water. If not, then have a healthy snack. A lot of y'all are gonna hate me for this, but it's very true and prevalent, is to basically avoid alcohol or caffeine. I know a lot of people like to drink or have their morning coffee, which is fine. You drink in moderation if that's what you want to do. Alcohol and caffeine is a antidiuretic, which basically means they dehydrate your body. And like I said before, drinking lots of water is essential and the key to the success of a detox. So, basically drink more water and try to drink less caffeinated beverages and alcohol if you are an alcoholic drinker. If you want something other than water, you could try like non-caffeinated tea. Lots of green teas or herbal teas. Those are very beneficial when you're trying to do a detox. So this next method you can use is to increase your fiber intake. Fiber keeps you fuller longer, so you don't have to snack. High fiber diets, they can reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Fruits and vegetables basically are key sources of fiber. You're going to want to rely on those sources mainly instead of like fiber bars and stuff, which could possibly have lots of sugar in it. This method I like to do is called intermittent fasting. This could be beneficial to cleansing your body. It's basically going over a period of time without eating. It's basically a fast. So depending on your daily schedule is how you want to set that up. So usually I stop eating anything by 10 o'clock. I eat nothing, and then I'll go fasted until 12 the next day. So with the benefits of intermittent fasting is basically, I mean, it can boost your weight regulation, increase energy, improve sleep, and if you start feeling dizzy, then you need to stop immediately with intermittent fasting. I recommend gradually building your way up on a fast. When you intermittent fast, you basically just drink water. You could drink water during your fast. I drink BCAAs with 0 calories. For those of you who are trying to like really hardcore do a detox, I mean, go vegan for a week. I'm not gonna do it, but you could probably do it. Basically, you're just vegan. You're eating, focusing on vegetables, different greens, cooking with healthy oils like olive oil, canola oil, sesame, coconut oil. If you have snacks, you're gonna eat like nuts and chia seeds and make smoothies. If that's what you want to do, you could do a vegan diet for a week, and that'll help detox your body as well. Alright, so last tip I'm going to leave you with as far as detoxing your body is to read the nutritional labels. I mean, terms like natural, those aren't really regulated by the FDA, which basically means the ingredients in the food you might be buying might not really be natural. So just be careful with that. Best ways to make sure that you're actually eating clean with additive-free foods is to check the ingredient labels. If it contains an additive which you cannot pronounce, basically a lot of different words I can't pronounce, then it probably ain't good for you. It might be unnatural. So, I mean, these are things you want to avoid, like different dyes that are in the food, MSG, and like high fructose corn syrup type stuff you want to avoid. That's in your food. That's it for all the tips and methods I have for detox. I hope it was beneficial for you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Peace.